Hello YouTubers, my name is Ali. On this channel we'll talk about making money online, and today I have a quick tutorial for you guys. I'm going to show you how to connect your DNS records from GetResponse to your domain. And the reason we're doing that today because we're authenticating our domain to allow your emails to stay out of the spam inbox. And the way to do that, it's real simple. Just go to your GetResponse account, click on your image over here, click on Manage Accounts, go down to email address, and click on actually I haven't even authenticated that. You'll see where it says am I doing this wrong? Authenticating pending. Oh, okay, you just click over here and it gives you these snippets. You have one snippet here and you have another one. All you got to do is just come and grab this here with your domain name on the end of it, copy that, and we're going to go to our cPanel. I'm hosting with NameCheap. All you got to do is go down to domains, click on Zone Editor, and find the domain that you're trying to connect. Mine is selfup20. I'm just going to go down here, hit manage, and all you got to do from your drop down menu over here, click on that, select TXT record, and that first value that we got, we're just going to paste it right in here. We're going to go back to GetResponse again, click down here. We're going to copy the other snippet, go back to your cPanel, Zone Editor, and then just paste that in here and just hit Add Record. And that's it, folks. It's real simple. You see right here it says successfully added TXT record to your domain, blah, blah, blah. But what this is going to really allow you to do, we're done here. It's a real simple process. I didn't see anything done in 22. All the previous videos that I looked at, they're real old. They don't really match what GetResponse look right now because they're constantly updating their UI, their platform, and I just decided to do a quick tutorial. But anyway, guys, this step literally takes 1 second. After you confirm your domain, mine is selfup20. After you confirm your domain, if you guys want to see that video, let me know. Just leave your comment below, and I'll be more than happy to make you a video. It's a real simple step to do. After you confirm your email, you want to go down here and authenticate your domain also, because what happened is when you go to run your what's it called, your autoresponder, a lot of your outgoing mails will end up being in a spam because your email hasn't been authenticated. And in order for you to do that, just basically follow these simple steps that we just did. All you got to do is just click down here, grab that snippet here, that little tiny snippet. Go to your cPanel. I mean, everybody's hosts with different provider. It doesn't matter. Mine is NameCheap, but they're all pretty much the same. You go in your cPanel, you go down to domains, click on Zone Editor, and find the domain that you want, hit manage, drop down menu, go down to TXT, and then put the first value in here, put the second value in here, and just hit save, and you're all done. And this process may take 24 hours sometimes to authenticate. Oh, there, mine's done. Never mind. I was told when I was reading the instruction, it says it may take up to 24 hours, but as you guys can see, mine's already authenticated. So, I mean, this whole thing happened within, what, minutes? I don't know how long I've been on this video. Yeah, it's only been like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them below. Again, my name's Ali. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tick the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video. What else? Leave your comment. Share this video if you gotten any value out of it. And if you're interested in signing up for GetResponse, I'm going to leave a link below for you guys. It's completely free, lifetime, up to 500 contacts, so it's really cool. Once you build your business past the 500 contacts, you can go up to like 15, 20 bucks a month. It's really cheap. And another thing cool about GetResponse also, it has a landing page builder, so you can build as many pages as you want. So it's all in one, and if you want to stay with the free plan, it's up to 500 contacts. If you want to go up with 1,000 contacts, it's only 20 bucks a month. Good luck to you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the inside. Bye-bye.